Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to build an effective communication plan using Zoho Project. The very first step is determining your project's key stakeholders. These are the people who need to be kept in the loop about your project. It's essential to identify them first because they form the backbone of your communication plan. Now that we've done that, we move on to defining your communication objectives. What information does each stakeholder need to know, and when? The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that there are no misunderstandings. Next up, we set up your communication channels within Zoho Project. This could be through task comments, forums, or chat rooms. This helps us because it centralizes all project communications, making it easy to track and manage. Now let's discuss setting a communication schedule. This involves deciding when and how often you'll communicate with your stakeholders. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a routine that helps everyone know when to expect updates, which can greatly reduce anxiety and confusion. Finally, you need to create and distribute a project communication plan document using Zoho's inbuilt document feature. This document should outline everything we've discussed so far. Let me explain why this matters. Having a written plan ensures that everyone involved knows what to expect and can refer back to it whenever necessary. To wrap up, remember that an effective communication plan is crucial for project success. Using Zoho Project allows you to streamline this process, making it easier to keep everyone informed and on track. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your project's success.